Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create groups and assemblies. These two tools work together to take your design from the screen to reality, organizing your pieces and easily generating assembly guides. How do I use these tools? First, I'll show you how to group the pieces of your design. You can do this in two ways, manually or automatically. Manually, you can group over a complete design or group pieces as you go along. Hold down the Shift key and click on each piece you want to group or use multi-selection to do it faster. Then click on Group, name it however you like, and you're done. To see your created groups, go to the parts list. There you'll clearly see all the various groups, each with a distinct color. Within each group there are several convenient options, such as the ability to hide the group, to view only this specific group, to select all its constituent parts, and to access settings where you'll find functions like rename, ungroup, or delete the group. These useful tools are designed so you can easily view, organize, and edit any section you may need. And if you want to save time, you can also create groups automatically. Just open the parts list and click on Guest Groups. Now I'll show you how to create your assembly instructions. First, make sure you already have your groups generated in the design. Then, just click on Assemble and wait a few minutes for them to be generated automatically. With these tools, you can organize your designs easily and quickly create assembly instructions. Everything will be faster, clearer, and you'll be able to bring your ideas to life. In the next video, you'll learn how to read and use the assembly instructions. Now you know how to use these tools.